Do you guys like ramen but do not want to spend hours in the kitchen making that broth? Well, I got you covered. I have a shortcut pork ramen that you can make under 30 minutes. I'm Mai from MyHealthyDish, and let's get cooking. Most pork ramen dishes have that big slice of fatty pork, which is super tender and delicious, I get it, but I'm making this slightly healthier and using a fresh pork loin filet. This is a Smithfield seasoned steakhouse mushroom. This is gonna cut me a lot of time because I don't have to marinate it myself. I'm gonna cut it pretty thin so it cooks really fast. We're gonna start with a little bit of sesame oil. It has this nice nutty aroma. And let's heat this to medium-high heat. And now we wait. Oil is nice and hot. Let's add our pork. Flip that over. It's done. Nice color to it too. And I'll set that aside to cool. We're not tossing this away. That's a lot of flavor from the pork and the oil. Now we're gonna make our soup base. 4 cups water. Turn that heat up. While this is heating up, I actually already pre-cooked our chow mein noodles. They're literally just the stir-fry noodles you get pre-packaged and dry, and you just boil it for about 3 minutes. And this is what it looks like. So I want you to envision when you go to the ramen restaurant, you see that beautiful bowl of sliced pork, that nice soft boiled egg, and just some fresh greenery. That's what we're trying to imitate in 30 minutes or less. I have this Better Than Bouillon base. It is roasted beef. I typically use chicken for my stocks, but for a beefy flavor, I thought we'd do this because it's pork. And I use about 1 teaspoon of that. And right now we're just layering flavors. Just a little bit of salt. It's always better to under salt than over salt because you can always add, but you can't remove. All right, I'm making a mess in the kitchen, and that means that there's gonna be some good food coming soon. The one thing you always have to do when you're making broth, you have to taste it before you pour it into your bowl. Ooh, hot. It needs a little bit more salt. Look at that rich color. Big heaping portion of our egg noodles, our sliced pork, and our 7.5-minute egg. Oh yes, that's so creamy. Now that is a perfect egg. Some green onions. And I have this strainer so we don't get any of these bits from the broth. Last but not least, you gotta do this chili oil. It's not that spicy, but it adds this earthy flavor to it. I'm so ready to eat this. Before I say bye to you guys, we have to taste this. Slurping in a lot of cultures means food is good. And the food is really good. If you like this recipe, go to myhealthydish.com And don't forget to subscribe. I'm just gonna keep on eating.